Ogini na-emezi n'ala Igbo biko nu nke bụ na ndị uwe ojii ya eburizi mmadụ anyị agwa ndị be onye agha ife onye ahụ mere ka ịfụkwazie nwa nke agha bụrụ okwu na ụka bịakwanụ nụrụ nke na-eme n'Enugu steeti. Hey, ife nke a na-apụzikwanụ n'egwu.
Yeah, my people, I dey with mama from Enugu state. Mama, who side from Enugu? KBC from Enugu. Akuke from Enugu state. SWAT police in Enugu state arrested his son since February 16th till today. Today's date is what? 12th of May. Today is 12th of May 2026. They arrested this young man. They arrested this young man on 16th of February 2026. Today is May 12th, 2026. They never released this young man. And the mama, they don't try to see their son. They don't want them to see their son. Sometimes they go talk say their son no they here. Now what happened is that court have gave them order. They don't fix dates for court like three times. How many times? 3 times. The police people no one bring this young man to court. Bring him to court. If say the guy commit crime, let people see him. They no bring this guy to court. 3 times. Police people refuse to bring this young man to court. Court have gave order. They should bring this young man to court. 3 times. They don't fix date 3 times. Police, they no bring this young man out. What kind of a country is this? What kind of country is this? So, Mama, Biko, my sister, you will say what happened before Mama will talk. Just, this is her mother here. This is her sister. So, tell the Nigerians what happened to your brother.
My name is Ngenemesoma Ruth. I'm from Enugu State. I'm from Ankara, Enugu South. Ngenefai is my elder brother. There was a day he went out with 2 of my brother and a friend of them. It was at Oceanoi on 16th of February. A guy from our community called my brother Ngene Ifai. He asked him where he is, that he has a message, to tell him. Then my brother gave the guy address. My brother gave the guy address to the place he is. So the guy came there with unmuffed people. They called themselves SWAT people. So when they came in there, the guy from our community greeted my brother and he responded. The other one unmuffed asked my brother, do you know who I am? My brother responded. The other guy was unmuffed. My brother asked the guy, you just came in here and you are asking me, do you know who I am? My brother was like, he was scared. Then before you know it, there were up to 4. They came in there, they grabbed my brother immediately. Why the other one, Ngene Chijoke and Prince Woye Reginald, escaped. Then they took Ngene Fai away with them, with phone and Prince Woye's car. So the next day, my brother went there to their office to go and ask them what Ngene Fai did. When he reached there, the other officers that is there, they detained him. But before he go there, he called someone from 82 division so that 2 of them will go. They detained him there and put him in call 1. Then my brother, when he came out, he explained everything he encountered there with the other guys in that the same cell. My brother said that someone asked him what bring him into this place. Then he explained everything that happened to that person. And the person asked him, what is the name of this young guy? He responded to him, Ngenefai. And that the same guy in that cell told him that that yesterday, they bring that guy inside the station, that when they bring the guy in is the time he was writing his own statement. Then that guy in the same that cell with him told him that yesterday evening, being 16th of February, around 6 o'clock p.m., that SWAT people bring that young man into that place. That the guy name is Ngenefai. That he was writing his own statement when he was also writing his own down. And my brother has already said that he saw that car there too, in their office.
In SWAT
office.
SWAT office.
And we have went to court for 3 times now, and the court has ordered them to bring my brother to court. Up to today, nothing, no response from them. They are coming to court. They don't want to bring him. So that is how we are now. Enugu State Governor, please, we need your help. Even though my brother committed a crime, let them bring him to court, and they told us what he did. But they don't want to bring him. We need your help. Peter Amba, please, we need your help. We are your sisters. Help us. We don't have any other help. We are the only help we need now. Enugu State Commissioner of Police, please help us. Help us. We are begging you. Help us. We don't know if my brother is still alive or dead. Please help us. Please help us. We need your help. Peter Amba, we need your help. We don't know what these SWAT people is doing. People to Enugu, SWAT people. They are just playing with people's life in Enugu. Please, we need your help. Help us, please.
Court have gave order 3 times.
Yes.
They should bring this young man out.
Yes.
And the Enugu State police people refuse to bring this young man out.
Yes. And even tomorrow is court.
Okay, tomorrow is court.
Yes.
Being 13th of May.
Yes.
What kind of a country is this? Even though if this boy, you people say that this boy commit crime, you people should bring him to court 3 times. Enugu State Police, SWAT, refuse. SWAT, okay, Enugu State SWAT, refuse to bring this young man out. What kind of a country is this? What kind of a country is this? Can the country we think? Why are the Nigerian police are not doing things that is not right? What kind of a country is this?
Peter Amba biko. Peter Amba jokwam. Akuke jokwamana. Oku no marama. Akwa ma down no na narama mburu uye biko no. Ono jokwamana. Biko no. Peter Amba akwa ma down. Biko.
What happened? What happened?
That day, before they locked my brother up in that cell, when he went to SWAT office, their demand for 3 million to use and bail him.
3 million naira to bail him?
Yes, 3 million to bail him. And my brother was begging them that he did not have so amount with him. He begged them 200k, they refused. Then later they agreed to bring 500k. Then my brother told them that he will bring the money, but not now. He's not with the money right now because they locked him up in that cell. They demand money to bury him. Then later they turn everything that Ngenifa is not with them.
Look.
But the car they seized that day, my brother saw that car, their car in that SWAT office.
Look at the kind of country that we are into. Now on the country on email. Look at the intimidation. Police people and innocent people. Intimidation, look at it. I'm calling the Enugu State Governor to please do something about this situation. This is not good. This is not good. Even court gave order. Bring this person 3 times. They no bring him out. What happened?
No, biko. Peter Amba biko. Akwa ma do no why. Buru wuye zokwam na ebi fa ichukuno biko ewekwu ihe nna no mere biko onu zokwam na ka edifutere m nwa m okwa ndị SWAT ji ya okwu gobi ekpe yare ndị SWAT biko onu dokwam biko onu mari ihe ozu unu ga-emekwere m unu mere m akwụke onu zokwam ebe amara m